Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a funded trader with TopStep copy trading 5 funded accounts. Okay, so I post all the proof I can on this channel. I try to show you everything as transparent as I can. In the background right now, you have my TopStep dashboard, and I'll show you my account balances, that I'm eligible for payouts, etc. Okay, so we'll kind of go into the trade in just a second. Okay, the point of this channel is so that people who are just watching people on YouTube and Instagram and seeing these huge P&Ls and huge payouts, I kind of want to have a bridge between people who are just barely in combines and people who are profitable. Okay, and I want to be that bridge to show you that you can do this too. I mean, I just went for a run. I got Call of Duty on in the background. I'm just a normal guy, and you can do this too. Okay, so we'll get right into the dashboard. Let me make myself smaller. Trying to make myself too small, but okay. So here is my TopStep dashboard. As you can see, this is live. This is on the TopStep dashboard website. I could refresh it if I want, but I don't think I need to prove it that hard. Okay, so I'm eligible for $717 of payouts, which is 50% of my balance times 5. So right now I'm eligible for about 3.5K in payouts. I'm not taking it. If you've seen my older videos, you know that I'm trying to get a bigger payout than this. So let's kind of jump into it, okay? Let's jump right into the trade. So I'm gonna make this full screen. Okay, so this is this morning session, okay? Preface to this is NFP day, okay? Non-farm payroll. And Friday, there's also non-farm payroll news as well. So I'm extremely low risk these days, and I'm only trading if I see an A+. Okay, so really careful day. Price action actually wasn't that terrible, but around the window that I trade, it was pretty dog shit. Okay, so let's go into this here. This white line here is an SMT at the lows. It's a daily SMT, and it also was, I believe, a London SMT going into 9:30. Okay, if you watch my older videos, you know this is my 45-minute window to enter trades. I can hold trades longer than that, but I do not enter a trade past 10:15 Eastern time. So let's kind of get into the trade, okay? So first things first, 9:30 candle, boom, instant manipulation. And as soon as that happens, I know exactly what I'm looking for, especially since there's a daily SMT just put in there at the low, and I'm bullish on the day. It's basically telegraphing to me that this wants to go higher. And what am I targeting? This high right here. I believe this is the London high. Might be just the AM high, the previous AM high. So what happens? We get this bearish fair value gap right here, right? We get this bearish fair value gap. I immediately see that, and I'm immediately thinking I'm going long off that for a reversal. Okay, so keep in mind, this is NFP day, so I know the executions are getting a little bit ugly, but I am being transparent in the fact that I cut trade short, and I was really hard break even today. I don't want to see NFP action be all scraggly and go against me, okay? So I initially go long right here, okay? And I end up cutting the trade at about 501, which is about right here. I just was not liking the price action, and with NFP in the back of my mind, I'm like, ugh. So we get a little bit of consolidation here. We get a push back down here. I believe a 3-minute SMT got put in with ES here, and this is where I said, okay, you know what, I'm going long. So I traded 3 contracts, 3 micro contracts, okay, and I rode this up to about this high, this AM high, the 750 high. As soon as it hit that TP, I'm out, I'm done. NFP, that's the best price action I'm gonna imagine I'm going to see. So I exited, I locked my accounts out, went to TopStep, manually locked my account out, and that's it. So 3 micros, it was about 127 in P&L today, which 127 times 5 accounts, okay, that makes $635 a day. Okay, and that's how I'm trading. It's NFP protocol, very low risk, only trading my A+. Saw the manipulation that I wanted, and a good SMT, and that's that. Took out that high, done for the day, locked the accounts. That's it. So again, I'm just making these videos to show you that I'm just a regular dude, and if you can have a read on price action and manage your risk well, then you can succeed in trading, and anyone can do it. It's only a matter of, can you master yourself, and can you know when to trade, when not to trade, and when to be kind of a little bit suspicious of your entries and exits. Okay, so again, I'm trying to trade these funded accounts as realistically and as transparently as possible. Okay, so if that sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing. I'm going to be documenting my payouts, all of my trades that I take, wins, losses. It's been about a week since I had a loss. Fingers crossed. God above protect me from that. But even if I lose, I manage my risk very well. So it shouldn't be a big loss. It should be a small one. It should never be bigger than my winners unless I over leverage, or I over trade, or I over stick to one bias. So again, if this sounds like an interesting channel to follow for you, subscribe, because I'm going to be documenting everything. I want to have all the receipts. I want to have all the transparency, and I want to make sure that you guys have someone that you can follow, that you can trust and believe in. I have nothing to sell. I just am trying to teach, show you what I know, and kind of show you some emotion, logic, and all that along the way. Okay, so subscribe if that sounds good to you. I think it'd be a great thing that I wish I had. So go ahead and give me a follow if you want, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.